Hello everyone, in this video, we will demonstrate the process of accessing Instagram Notes history. To begin, open the Instagram application. It is important to note that you cannot directly view your notes history or past notes from this section. To access this data, you will need to download it. To do so, return to the main Instagram screen and access your profile by selecting the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. From there, access the Settings and Activity section by selecting the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Under the How You Use Instagram section, select your activity. Scroll down and locate the Download Your Information option, and tap on it. On the next screen, choose Download and Transfer Information. Select the Instagram account for which you want to download information and tap Next. Choose all available information and ensure that the Download to Device option is selected before tapping Next. Finally, tap Create File. It may take approximately 10 to 20 minutes to generate the file. Once the file is ready, you will be able to view your past notes within it. Thank you for your attention. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials.